Something to look forward to. The Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, led by Assistant Secretary Jessie Lanete, plans to address fake PWD IDs by creating a centralized database for verified PWDs with IDs accessible through the eGov app. This system aims to ensure authenticity and prevent fraud. Meanwhile, the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, warned that those involved in selling or using fake IDs could face tax evasion charges, fines, and imprisonment, highlighting the loss of government revenue. The BIR is coordinating with other agencies and businesses to combat this illegal activity.
Nawawalan din sa panig ng gobyerno, nawawalan ng kita ang gobyerno dahil 20% agad ang nawawalang buwis dito. So, ibig sabihin yan, imbis na nagagamit yan sa mga proyekto ng ating gobyerno at ang talagang nakikinabang ay yung mga PWDs, ay itong mga manloloko ang nakikinabang.